Jump on here and tell you about this great offer that's dropping today on Warrior Plus. It's called Bible Prompts Empire, and it's an opportunity to make these beautiful, gorgeous, Christian themed coloring pages, actually Bible themed coloring pages, because there's lots and lots of coloring pages for the Old Testament as well. Easter's coming, and so this is a great opportunity to jump on this right now to create these beautiful pictures. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Bible Prompts Empire is an innovative idea that combines the power of storytelling with the wisdom of the Bible. These images are beautiful. Now, these are meant to be adult level coloring books, but with just a couple of changes to the prompt, you can create actually children's level coloring books too. And I'll show you that if you stick around to the end here. I'll show you a couple of different things that are going to be valuable for utilizing these prompts. The Prompts Empire will make sure that you don't have any creator block whatsoever. The nice thing is that this is perfect for devotionals. You can use it for yourself, but I really want to emphasize that you don't have to focus on Amazon KDP to sell these images. Everyone who lives in a city has a church. And if you go to church, you can go to your church pastor or your church youth pastor or to any of the group organizers and offer them an opportunity to create, and they can pay you, or however you want to work that out. You can donate your time, whichever you like to do, but you can create these coloring page images for their up and coming Easter services, for their basically for their schools, for their Sunday school classes, for their programs, for the church to be able to sell and make money from themselves. You can work with a local printer. The church has a local printer that they work with because they get their programs printed every week. And so you can work with the church to make these images for them. So stop thinking that this is just an opportunity for Amazon or Etsy, because oh my gosh, this is a burning hot opportunity for you to work in your local marketplace, with your church, with local daycare centers. How about senior centers? All those folks in there at senior assisted care facilities would love to have Easter coloring pages. Also, coloring pages for Jesus, women of the Bible, the apostles, Old Testament heroes, Old Testament stories, symbols of faith, Bible virtues, life of Paul, ancient Bible, I mean, on and on and on. You can craft images, and just with a simple change to my prompt, I created it from an adult coloring page to a very simple kids coloring page. Three powerful writing prompts here. Here's a prompt idea. You can create devotional books. Again, for this same marketplace, we're not even talking about putting this on Amazon. We're talking about creating these books for your local church. All right? You can create 10 Commandment programs for Bible study groups. So any topic that they want to have a Bible study group, they're going to call you because you've got the goods, you've got the prompts to be able to create beautiful images for their classes to color for inspiration. Prompts, customized devotionals. You can publish and share these yourself, again, using a local printer. You can create these and sell them through local small shops, right? Again, I've mentioned local churches, local daycare centers. You can partner with local groups, organizations, and senior centers. I call it a local low content is what I've called it. And some of my students have actually gone and done this and become super successful, not even selling on Amazon whatsoever. If you live in a small to medium-sized town, then this is fire. All right. And if you live in a large city, then just focus in your local neighborhood. And then once you start building a reputation, you can build from there, because people will come to you. All the churches will want to come to you. What's inside this funnel? Now, the front end funnel, all right, this is the front end sales page. You'll click on my link, which is an affiliate link, and I thank you very much. I'll get a small commission for you buying through my link. You're purchasing this from Warrior Plus. This is a 100% trusted offer from Alessandro Zimboni, somebody that I've known for years and years and years. He has multiple top rated deals of the day on this platform. He sells through ClickFunnels as well. He sells high quality prompts that work and are tested. Every single one has been tested. This is the front end sales page. All right, this is where you will go, and you'll be able to see, you'll click on here to add to your cart. All right, and it goes through some of the things that it's offering. Now, once you click on this page, and he also has other things, you're getting, he has a good support department if you need help. You also are getting 180 ChatGPT prompts for crafting and selling your books. So that's also something to consider. But once you click on that page, I want to make sure you understand this is a sales funnel. You are not obligated to purchase anything after you've spent the $17. However, there are other options. As you click through, you'll be offered other opportunities to purchase other things. You can say no to any one of them, and it will take you to the end of the funnel, and then you'll go and get your product. You don't have to purchase these, but think about what this does to help build your business. If you're going to build a business, investing in your business, and this is approximately, the whole funnel costs about $100 if you purchase the whole thing. All right, so I want to be clear and upfront with you. Each one of these costs a different price. So the front end, you get 448 prompts. The next offer, which is called OTO, which is one-time offer, meaning when you say no, you won't be able to get it again. So there's 986 prompts, all right, and these are specifically for children's book prompts. Then the next offer is 2,053 prompts, and these are in 26 extra focused Bible categories, plus also an additional 27 easy to rank keywords. Then the next offer is 2,265 prompts for specifically making angels and cherubs. And then the next offer is 2,375 prompts that are all just focused on the story and the life of Jesus. Again, you don't have to purchase any of these prompts after you spent your $17. You're going to get the 448 prompts. But anyone that is serious and working in this Christian niche especially, then you're making an investment and you will have this money back by Easter. I can't guarantee that, obviously, because you have to do the work. But just a couple of opportunities, working with even 2 or 3 churches in your local area, you can position yourself as someone, as the go-to person for their Bible groups, women's Bible groups, men's Bible groups, children's Bible groups, creating devotionals for these churches. You will be the go-to person by making this investment in yourself and in your business. So you'll never have creator's block again for building these beautiful Christian-themed images. Again, Old Testament and New Testament. And if you go through the whole funnel, you'll have a wide variety of images that you can create for literally any type of Christian-themed devotional or coloring book. And if you want to sell on Amazon, you certainly can, or sell it on Etsy, or sell it on your Shopify store, or sell it on your Gumroad store, or make the books yourself and sell them through local vendors. All of these things you have the opportunity to do, so the sky is literally the limit. So who are you getting this from? This is from Alessandro Zamboni. It is on Warrior Plus. This is a trusted vendor. He has 67 deals of the day. He has quality products, and I've known Alessandro for years and years and years. So he supports his products. He supports the people that buy his products. And so I really want to say that I don't sell products from people that I don't trust myself. Grab this now through this link. Stick around for just a few more seconds because I want to show you a couple of other things here. This is what the inside of the first offer looks like on this page. Obviously, whoops, I will blank this out so you can't see what they are, but categories: miracles of Jesus. Let's see, this is just the front end, women of the Bible, and prompts and prompts and prompts, the apostles, and so this is the 448, and each one of them comes in its own sheet so that you can utilize that sheet, and then you get the ChatGPT prompts as well that help you suggest and get idea generation for additional books. Now, I've tested these on all free platforms, so if you don't have the paid version of ChatGPT, we've got you, because you can use this on Leonardo AI, which is free. You get 150 credits every single day. You can put it in there. This is a free platform. This is called playground.com. This is the grandpappy of actually ChatGPT and Dall-e 3. And you can put them in there. Now, obviously, with AI, you do have to tweak some AI. Sometimes the hands come out weird, and you have to just work with that and be patient with it, okay? But this is with Copilot, which is free. And then this is with ChatGPT. And I want to show you something with ChatGPT. It gave me this kind of weird, but something that's usable, but not quite. We can see that this is a little bit too complicated. And so with ChatGPT, I can actually chat with ChatGPT and ask it to make alterations. And so I said, I added, create a simple black and white drawing of, and then I gave it the same prompt, and now they've made it so that it's a lot easier for me to use. I just cut this off, I put it into Canva, and I cut it off. And then they gave me an even more simpler one here. And the nice thing with ChatGPT is that when it gives you the prompt, it gives you other suggestions as well. So you will just have an overwhelming amount of prompts to work with once you get these ones under your belt. This is a huge, huge opportunity. There's, coloring books, and like I said, Easter's coming. Now, all these people, you don't have to even think about the fact that you are competing with these people, because if you do what I've just said and you work in your local marketplace, you have tons of churches, synagogues even, because you have Old Testament stories in here. So the sky is the limit if you work in your local marketplace to work with these folks. One last thing, I think most of you who work with AI images know that you need to vectorize these images to make sure that they have been upgraded. This is a vectorizer. This is another vectorizer, SVG vectorizer. This is Vectorizer AI, which is the one that I tend to use. And it's just about upscaling your images so that, well, that's kind of an alien looking guy. We can fix that image. And so the sky is the limit on what you can do with these offers. Grab this now. Get these beautiful prompts. Remember, this is an investment in a business that you can grow with for years, especially if you are the go-to person in your community to get Christian coloring images from. You can build an entire business around just this one purchase that you've made. So I look forward to seeing you jump on this and grab this today. Have a great day. Have a good Easter. And thank you so much for tuning in.